Okay, so let's talk about some of the problems. What happens when you get a tool face offset wrong? I would say a majority of the time, it can be hidden. It can be hidden in words like the bit deflected. The mud motor didn't throw as hard. We hit a random formation. Or we had an issue and it was the scribe line offset. And as you can see in this pyramid, the top one is just people out there taking the readings, right? So that's costing you CapEx to pay for people to be on this rig floor. But when you want to correct the tool face issue, right? So when a directional driller understands that they have a problem, that they slid the wrong way, then they have to slide back to plan. That costs time, that costs money, which costs your operation money. The next things and the bigger things is they got to trip out of the hole, they got to reevaluate the scribe line offset, and then it gets exponentially worse from there. But we want to target on every time you take this measurement and you're working on a multi-million-dollar operation, we protect it from the top of the pyramid all the way to the bottom. That every one of these issues needs to be omitted and removed from a drilling operation. And they can cost tens of thousands of dollars. So now it's time to change the way we do things and ensure that directional drilling is the most efficient thing of your operation. Next, we're going to talk about how AccuScribe works. Thank you so much.